What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys what's inside of a 2x2. Now many of you may already know what's inside a 2x2, but if you don't know the mechanism of it, I'll still explain it today as well. If you don't know, then stay tuned because I'm going to break this cube apart, show you guys how it works, and put it back together. Now, in simple terms, a 2x2 is the same thing as a 3x3, but the edge pieces are so small that they are inside, and the corner pieces are so big that they are outside and more prominent. So it's basically a 3x3, but the edge pieces are so small they're inside, and the corner pieces are way bigger. Now, let's take this cube apart to see what's inside. Ouch, that was painful. So if you guys have not been following me for a long time, go watch my other what if what am I saying? I'm watching too much Marvel, guys. That's why. Go watch my what's inside videos. You understand what's the pain inside of me right now, so. Okay, this is not going well. So a 2x2 consists of 4 different types of pieces. First one are these edge pieces without the locking mechanism, which I'll explain later. Then there's a core, obviously with 6 center pieces and 8 corner pieces that are hollow. Not hollow, but like, yeah, okay, you guys get the point. Anyways, and there are 3 of these edge pieces which have a locking mechanism to them. Now what is this locking mechanism I'm talking about? Well, basically, can you see the difference between 2 edge pieces? Obviously don't look at the dirt in it. Oh, come on. Alright, so that's pretty much the difference. This piece connects to a center piece over here. This has a groove, and when it connects to it, it does not move. Now what is its benefit and why is it there? Well, let me tell you in just a second after I reassemble this cube. But as for now, this is what is inside a 2x2. So let's put this cube back together. And if you don't know how to put 2x2 back together, this will be also a good tutorial. But this thing is just well, I recommend you guys to, if you're already taking your cube apart, might as well clean it, because if it's your main cube. But this is not my main, so I'm not gonna take the time and effort to clean it up. Now one thing you want to start with the locking mechanism edge pieces, and with 2 center pieces that it attaches to, and you want to have the 3 center pieces that it attaches to, and make sure that the 3 edge pieces align with it. Oh, come on. And make sure that you don't put the wrong edge piece in the wrong center, between the wrong center pieces. Okay, come on. Why? No. Okay, got it. Now let's put a corner piece. Then the last edge piece right here. Alright. There we go. Then continue. Now one thing is that you can it doesn't really matter what way you're putting your 2x2 corner pieces, because at the end of the day you can just twist a corner. It's just a 2x2, and you can just do a J-perm to just swap two center pieces. Now alright, now let's just solve this. Alright, so the fixed corner piece was this one, the white, blue, and orange, because as you can see, the locking pieces are over here. So this corner is a locked corner piece. Now what this does is that, as you can see, one corner piece affects every single layer. So the U layer, it has this piece. The D, there's no such thing as D layer, because it's the same thing. Like if you do a D, it's the same thing as if you do a U prime. And that's why we don't really, there's only like 3 notations: R, which includes this piece, and F, which also includes this piece. So one piece is attached, and it revolves like around all the notations. Now what is this? Basically, it allows the 2x2 to move without any confusion. So imagine, you're doing an L move, or you're moving this layer, or moving like this. Now it can, the 2x2 doesn't know if it wants to move this layer, okay, 90 degrees, or if it wants to move the whole entire core with it. Are you getting me? No? Alright, let me explain one more time. So the 2x2 doesn't know like that if it wants to twist this layer, or if it wants to get with the core, it wants to twist the next layer. Does make sense? I mean, you can watch this part again and try to understand again, or you can try it with your 2x2 as well. But I tried to explain as best as I could. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys all next time.